Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sadi Education Wali. I'm student at Rehan College Karangi campus. Today we are discussing a very important topic, the importance of self-confidence in success. Our special guest with Muniba Crafts Wali. Welcome Muniba. Please Muniba share your short introduction.
Welcome, Salam Sadia. Thank you for inviting me. So, my name is Muniba Khan and also known as Muniba Craftswali, and I'm a student of Rehan College, Kurangi campus. So, self confidence is one of the most powerful qualities a person can develop, and I am excited to share my thoughts on this topic.
Okay, so Muniba, my first question is what is self-confidence and why is it important?
Basically, self confidence is the belief one's abilities, skills, and potentials. It helps people trust themselves when making decisions and facing challenges. Confidence is important because motivates us to take action, pressure opportunities, and overcome fears. Without confidence, even talented individuals may hesitate to achieve their goals.
Okay, great answer. So my next question is why does self-confidence affect our daily lives?
Nice. So, self confidence influences how we communicate, work, learn, and interact with others. Confident people often express their idea clearly and are willing to take on responsibilities. They are less afraid to failure and more likely to try new experience. This positive attitude improves both personal and professional life.
Okay, what do you think can self-confidence be learned? Are people born with it?
Yes, while some people naturally appear more confident, self confidence is a skill that can be developed through learning, practice, experience, and positive habits. Anyone can become more confident. Confidence grows when people achieve goals, gain knowledge, and overcome challenges.
Okay, Maniba. So our next question is what are the biggest cause of low self-confidence?
Low self confidence can result from negative experience, cynicism, fear of failure, conversions with others, and lack of support. Sometimes people focus too much on their weakness and ignore their strengths. These factors can create self doubt and limit personal growth.
Okay, Maniba, you are saying that sometimes people focus too much on their weakness. So, what do you think? How can someone start building self-confidence?
People can start by setting small goals and celebrating their achievements, learning new skills, practicing positive self talk, and focusing on strengths can also help confidence develops gradually. So, consistency and patience are important.
Uh, Maniba, can you explain them कि why is self-confidence important for students?
This question is most important for the students. For students, confidence improve participation, learning, and academic performance. Confident students are more likely to ask questions, share ideas, and engaging in activities. They believe in their abilities to learn and success, which positively affects their educational journey.
What do you think? How does confidence help in public speaking?
Yeah, public speaking requires courage and belief in ourselves. Confidence allows speakers to communicate clearly and engaging with their audience even if mistakes occur. Confident speakers remain calm and continue effectively. Practice and preparation future strength speaking confidence.
Okay, what is the relationship between confidence and success?
Confidence and success are closely connected. Confidence encourages action, while action creates opportunities for success. People who believe in themselves are more likely to pressure goals and persist despite challenges. Their confidence often inspires others and creates positive outcomes.
Riva, what you thought overconfidence be harmful for students?
Next, again, question, please.
I'm saying कि overconfidence be harmful.
Yes, overconfidence can lead people to understanding challenges and ignore valuable advice. Healthy confidence is balanced with humility and a willingness to learn. Successful individuals remains confident while recognizing areas where important is needed.
Okay, so how can positive thinking improve confidence?
Positive thinking helps people focus on possibilities instead of limitations, while individuals replace negative thoughts with encouraging ones. They feel more capable and motivated. This mindset gradually strengthens self confidence and resilience.
Okay, Monica, why is it important to stop comparing ourselves with others?
Compression others often creates unnecessary pressure and dissatisfaction. Every person has a unique journey, strengths and challenges. Focusing on person growth rather than compression helps build genuine confidence and self-acceptance.
Okay, how does learning new skills increase confidence?
Learning new skills expands knowledge and abilities. Every new achievement proves that growth is possible, which increases self-belief. Whether learning technologies, communication, or teaching skills, continuous learning strengthens confidence.
Okay, great answer. So our next question is, how can teacher help student build confidence?
Nice for the teachers. Teachers can encourage participation, provide constructive feedback, and celebrate students' achievements, creating a supportive learning environment helps students feel valued and capable. Positive encouragement can satisfaction improve students and confidence.
Okay, what role does body language play in confidence?
Body language reflects and influences confidence, standing straight, maintaining eye contact, and speaking clearly can make a person appear and feel more confident. Positive body language also creates a strong impression on others.
Okay, how can someone overcome fear of failure?
People can overcome fear of failure by viewing mistakes as learning opportunities. Failure doesn't define a person's worth, it provides valuable lessons. Accepting these presentations reduce fear and encourage growth.
Okay, so why is self belief important during difficult times?
People, please again question.
My question is, why is self belief important during difficult times?
During challenges, self belief provides strength and hope. It helps people remain focused on solutions rather than problems. Confidence allows individuals to trust their ability to overcome obstacles and continue moving forward.
How does confidence improve communication skills?
Yeah, confident individuals express themselves clearly and listening actively. They are less afraid of sharing ideas and participation in discussions. This improves both personal relationships and professional interactions.
Okay, what daily habits can boost confidence?
Daily habits such as expressing reading, setting goals, practicing graduated, and speaking positively to honest one improve confidence. Content positive habits strengthens both mental and emotional well-being.
Neva, how can confidence help in leadership?
Leaders need confidence to make decisions, inspire others, and handle challenges. Confident leaders communicate effectively and motivate their teams. Their belief, their belief in their vision encourages others to work towards common goals.
Okay, why is confidence important for career growth?
Confidence helps individuals pressure opportunities, perform well in interviews, and take on new responsibilities. Employees often value Employees often value confident employees because they demonstrative individuals' communication skills and problem-solving abilities.
Okay, so next question is, can confidence influence relationships?
Yes, confidence improves relationships by promoting honest communication and mutual respect. Confidence. Individuals are often more comfortable expressing their feelings and maintaining healthy boundaries.
How does confidence affect decision making?
Confidence helps people make decisions more effectively while careful consideration is important. Exercises self doubt can causes delays and certainly confidence allow individuals to trust their judgment and take responsibilities for their choices.
Okay, why is accepting imperfections important?
No one is perfect, and accepting imperfections is a key part of self confidence. People who accept their flaws and often more comfortable with themselves and more willing to learn and improve.
Okay, so how can parents support their children's confidence?
Parents can support confidence by gaining efforts, recognize achievements, and providing emotional supports. Positive reinforcement helps children develop a healthy sense of self worth and resilience.
Okay, so what role does discipline play in confidence?
Discipline creates consistency and achievement when people follow thought on communicates and develop productivity habits. They build trust in themselves. This trust becomes a strong foundational for confidence.
Okay, how can confidence help people adapt to change?
Confidence gives people the courage to face uncertainty and learn new things. It helps them see change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Adaptability is an important skill in today's world.
Okay, what is the connection between confidence and resilience?
Resilience is the ability to recover from setbacks, and confidence supports this ability. Confident individuals believe they can overcome challenges, which helps them remain strong during difficult times.
Okay, so how can someone maintain confidence after failure?
Maintaining confidence after failure requires self reflection and perseverance. Instead of focusing on mistakes, individuals should focus on lessons learned and opportunities for important. This mindset encourages growth and continued success.
Okay, what you thought? What is biggest misconceptions about confidence?
Yeah, common misconceptions is that confident people never feel fear or adopt. In reality, everyone experience uncertainty. Their difference is that confident individuals take action, dissipate their fears, and continue learning from experience.
Okay, Maniva. So my last question is, what the final message would you like to share about self-confidence?
My final message is that self confidence is not about being perfect, it's about believing in your ability to learn, grow, and successful. Every person has unique strengths and potential. Build confidence, thought, positive habits, continuous learning, and precisions. When you believe in yourselves, can you open the doors to consults, opportunities, and achievements? Sadia, education wali, thank you. Mm, Excuse me, Sadia.
Thank you, Muniba AI Valley, for sharing your valuable insight. Their discussion remind us that confidence is one of the most important tools for success and personal growth.
Thank you, Sadia. It was wonderful being here. I encourage everyone to believe in themselves, embrace challenge, and continue growing every day. So, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.